1 minute exercise. Let's squat side, centered, and side again. Yes, so we're going to alternate today. We're going to go to squatting from side to side and also to the center. You can do it. Pace yourself. Don't forget to breathe. And exhale. Keep going. We are doing this together. I know exactly what you're feeling. All right, keep going. A little bit lower. Yes, we are almost there. We're doing this for 1 minute, and I know 1 minute is really starting to hit you. 1 minute too long. I know, but we almost there. We almost there. A few more seconds. And guess what? We did it.